Today we are going to start 9th standard exercise 1.1 second sum. In the previous class I have taught you roster form. Now we are going to write the sum regarding the roster form. List the set of letters of the following words in roster form. So first question is India. We should write in roster form. So start with flower brackets. Repeated letters, if you write once it is enough with comma. So here I is repeated. So you write once it is enough, comma, N, D, A, close brackets. So important one is have to start with the flower brackets, close with the flower bracket with the commas. Each letter have to write in commas. Now parallelogram. Here I have written P. A is repeated once you write. R is repeated once if you write is enough. L is repeated once. So the repeated letter if you write once it is enough with commas. So next question is Mississippi. So M I have written. I repeated 4 times. So you write once it is enough. Comma. S 4 times. Once you write is enough. Comma. P it is repeated 2 times. You write once it is enough. So close brackets. Fourth question is Czechoslovakia. So repeated letters you write once. Start with the flower brackets. C, comma, Z, comma, E, comma, H, comma, O, comma, S, comma, L, comma, V, comma, A, comma, K, comma, I. So you check yourself among yourself whether you have written the repeated letters here. Then close brackets. This is about your second question. Now fourth question. Represent the following sets in roster form. Again we are going to see the roster form. So first question. Capital A equal to the set of all even natural numbers less than 20. So A is equals to flower bracket. You have to denote only the numbers. So we know the even numbers. Let us write the even numbers less than 20. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, close brackets. In that the Roman letter 2, capital B, y where y equal to 1 by 2n, where small n belongs to the natural numbers, it should be less than or equal to 5. So here the function given is y is equals to 1 by 2n. It means 1 divided by 2 into n. We know that the n is natural numbers. It should be less than or equal to 5. So natural numbers starts from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It should be less than or equal to 5. So till 5 I have written. So what is the function given? Y is equals to 1 by 2n. 1 by 2n means 1 by 2 into 1. Now you sub the value of 1 first in the place of n. So 1 divided by 2 into 1 gives you 1 by 2. So next value you have to sub n is equals to 2 here. So 1 by 2 into 2 equal to 1 by 4. Next, in the place of n, we should write 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 equal to 1 by 6. Next, in the place of n, we should write 4. 1 by 2 into 4, 1 by 8. In the place of n, next we should write 5. 1 by 2 into 5, that is 1 by 10. Now the answer is B is equals to 1 by 2, start flower bracket, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, close bracket. Now your third question. C, x where x is a perfect cube that x lies between 24 and 216. So we know that the cube numbers. 1 into 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2 into 2, 8, 3 into 3 into 3, 27, 4 into 4 into 4, 64, 5 into 5 into 5, 125, and 6 into 6 into 6, 216. Here the question is, it lies between 27 and 216. So we can see that it lies between 27 and 216. The numbers are 64 and 125. So the answer C is equals to start bracket 64, 125. Your next fourth question. D equal to x where x belong to integer x lies between minus 5 to 2. Here it is not given equal to. So less to this number. Next to this number we have to write. So minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Less than or equal to. Equal to is given, so we are writing 1 here. We have to start with the flower bracket with commas. Your next question. Represent the following sets in set builder form. How to write in set builder form? Your question is given in descriptive form. This we should write in a set builder form. So B equals to, you have to write this set builder form inside the flower brackets with x where x. We should denote this. X where x is an. Remaining you can copy down from your set builder form. Remaining you have to copy down from your descriptive form. As it is, you can write is an Indian player who secured double centuries in one day international. Your second question. Now it is given in the roster form. This we have to write in set builder form. So your first number is 1 by 2. How did we get this first number? So let us assume this 1 has n. If I take 1 has n, the 2, how did I get this? 1 by 1 plus 1. So now I denote this 1 as n. So n plus 1 gives you 2. The next number, you take n has 2. When you take n has 2, down I'll write 2 plus 1 gives you 2 by 3. So on it goes on. So x where x equals to n by n plus 1. The first number we have written 1. So the number starts from 1. So the small n belongs to the natural number. Your third question. D equal to the set of all Tamil months in a year. So D, x where x is a Tamil month in a year, close brackets. So start with the bracket and close. And here you have to mention x where x. E equals to the set of all odd whole number less than 9. So E equal to x, start bracket, x where x is an odd whole number less than 9, close bracket. Next, represent the following sets in descriptive form. It is given in the roster form. We'll write in descriptive form. So first question, P is equals to January, June, July. It is given inside the brackets. In the descriptive form, we need not to write those things inside the brackets. We need to write those things inside the bracket only in roster form and in set builder form. I have to write those things only in roster form and set builder form. We need not to write in descriptive form. So we'll write the set of English months starting with letter J. Yes, here only they have written the months starting with letter J. January, June, July. Your second question. It is given Q equal to 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. So Q equal to, these are the odd numbers. The numbers between 5 and 31 is given. So the set of prime numbers between 5 and 31. R equal to x where x belongs to natural number, x is less than 5. The set of natural numbers, it should be less than 5. So the set of natural numbers less than 5. So S is equals to x where x is a consonant in English alphabets. And they have written inside the brackets. In the descriptive form, no need to write those things inside the brackets. So S equals to the set of English consonants. You mention the word the set of in all the terms. The set of gives you the descriptive form. No need to write them inside the brackets. Thank you.